doing holiday cards for some clients I've worked with this day. I have packed the ropes. I'm gonna hand deliver some of them because we are worried that it's not going to deliver well, especially since there's a vase, even though I already packed it with like cardboard, but I don't know if I trust my packing skills. But it's so cute, I'm really excited. We are dropping off some of the packages. I borrowed this from my super and we like tied it with like ribbons on one side. We're walking a couple blocks. We've made it one block. Wait, is it at the end of that block? No, it's like right there. Yeah, it's like one block. Across the street. I made eye contact with the Amazon guy and he's like busy delivery day. Okay, go for it. It's so good. Okay, I got Tsukmen with soup on the side. You got chicken ramen. So good. Whoa. And of course, Coca-Cola. Good morning. I am heading to the gym and I really thought that I was gonna start the new year strong by doing my intentions and everything, but I got violently hungover, so I'm gonna do that today. And I'm also going to declutter my closet, and I'm getting bottom braces today, which I'm honestly quite nervous about. I usually take the subway, but there's been so many incidents lately and it's making me kind of anxious, and the city is still sort of empty, so I've been taking the Ubers in the mornings. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I'm listening to this 2025 Glow Up series on vision boarding and goal setting. So I'm gonna try to do it later today, and I have some really good ideas from this Dream Bigger podcast. I like literally just found it on Spotify and it's really good. We're gonna start with like literally like 3 calories since I'm still not sure how you feel right now. This is Rachel, a happy Kwan. A happy Kwan. There you go. Isabel going in for her last set. Help me. I just got home and loaded the dishwasher, and I am heating up my bone broth with some carrots because it was literally just bones, and I'm gonna take a shower while this cooks and definitely get organized because we were at my friend's parents' place for the holidays, so we kind of like have a little unpacking to do. This area is so super messy. I'm getting a rag to hang up here, but I really think that it would help us not throw our like jackets and stuff here. And I mean, I will still be able to reach it, so I'm excited for that. That should be arriving at some time this week, and I really want to do a big closet clear out because I'm currently just not excited about getting dressed, and there's just like so much clothes that like it honestly gives me anxiety. This is the closet room, and like Manfred stuff is on this side, but I also have the primary bedroom closet, which is very full and I never get dressed here, so I really want to change that. I have this, and like yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower and do that. Oh, and I also like hand wash some of these like wool pieces. I'm not done packing yet, but I'm running late for my dental appointment. Honestly, I'm getting kind of anxious about this whole braces thing, but I am going to be brave because it just has to be done. Honestly, the apartment is still definitely in a mess, but it's only 2:40. This should take about an hour, and by the time I come back, I will try to clean more. Oh my god. Okay, 1 minute. Let's go. I'm wearing this. I feel like it's kind of loud in my elevator. I'm wearing this coat that I've been saving for like honestly 4 or 5 years. I just like never felt like I could pull it off, but today I'm feeling it. That was awkward. Doing a fit check alone always makes me cringe.
Too expensive.
It's like 200.
Yeah, it's still on sale.
Yeah, I got it on Black Friday.
Wow.
People are very surprised by this.
Yeah, no, it's
Do you guys want to be in a vlog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my
Hi.
Hey.
They're looking it up online. Shout out to 10. I'm so scared. I really have to do a dry January.
That bad?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
I don't know what this is called, but it's on and they just need to do the wire. It feels kind of weird. Okay, I did it. Honestly, it's not visible and I barely feel it, and I don't think I sound different, but my lips might be a little bigger. Just got back from the dentist and I think my wall hook just arrived. It's so cute. Should I just like store it now? Okay, we are outside the Rimowa store because thank you. Hi, how are you? I cracked my suitcase and I was hoping to get it fixed. I know there's a slightly bigger one.
Yes, there is one slightly bigger, and then to change it, you have to open it up, hold the button in while you're holding. Originally designed this size for sports equipment, so it's really good for packing any equipment or anything like that.
Okay, sounds good. And how much is this one?
This one is $23.25.
Any cracks happen, like...
Well, the aluminum doesn't crack, but if it's ever
Dent.
like dented badly, then bring that in.
Okay, so I ended up getting the silver trunk because it's better for winter travel, and with my other suitcase we weren't able to fix it, so yeah, RIP, because I've had that for 8 years and like I'm happy with like what we've done in those 8 years. So cute.
I'll put it on the suitcase for you, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Of course.
Cute.
And then I'm flying back to Monday because he's working Monday. I'm not. And I'm going to keep.
Ooh, that looks so delicious. Cacio e pepe.
Wow, spin forever.
I feel like it's hot. We are going to get coffee in our local neighborhood coffee shop. The coffee's excellent, but they're kind of mean sometimes. There's like one girl that's really nice, but I don't know who we're gonna get today.
Cool kids.
Yeah, a lot of cool kids go hang out there, and we feel a little like out of place.
Maybe you. I don't feel out of place.
Okay. I'm like out of breath. It's so cold. It feels like 14 degrees. We're bundled up. I feel like I wear the same coat every day because this is my warmest coat. What are you gonna get? I think I might get a breakfast burrito.
I feel like that's usually what I get.
Maybe you want to get something sweet so we can split it.
Sure.
Oh, there is also another really popular coffee shop where the cool kids hang out. Actually, I haven't gone in. I get like nervous. They have a lot of cute stuff for like home decor. I get a lot of my mugs and stuff from here. That's where we're going.
Hey,
Hi.
I'll do the hangover.
Can we get a hangover wrap? I'll get a breakfast burrito.
You got it.
And I have a chai. Ooh, I have a matcha latte, like an iced one.
You got it.
Can I get a cold brew?
Thank you.
We're good to go.
I think we have a new neighborhood bakery. Wow. This is so cute. Oh my god, the bread looks so good in there. Wow. We can't really tell which one is the breakfast burrito, but we're just gonna do half and half anyway. Yeah, I think this one's mine, you're right. But
I don't think you read what's in it.
yeah. I just was like breakfast burrito, because usually we just order a burrito. Cheers. It's good. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. The delivery, can you see? It's a big moment. Oh my god, I think he took the elevator. I mean the stairs. Oh my god. I just got a delivery from Louis Vuitton. I'm going to an event with them and this is the first time I'm getting dressed by them, so I'm so excited. We are on the way to the Louis Vuitton Murakami free edition collection preview. I have a bow in my hair. It's a nod to Murakami. I'm wearing a Louis Vuitton outfit underneath. I can't wait to show you guys. And of course, the bag. I'm honestly kind of nervous. Okay, we're at the Louis Vuitton store. And oh my god, it's so cute over there. Hi Haley. Looking cute. Hi. Okay, this is the cafe. Oh my god, hi.
This allows you to win 3 different prizes.
I just did the Louis Vuitton like lottery game and I won the best prize. I got one of these.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
We do, what is it, French fries?
French fries? Okay, I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It is
So cold. I like can't feel my finger.
How long is this light?
I know, it feels like it's been like 10 minutes. I don't usually eat vegan food, but the magic miso soup here is so good. And I'm having a jasmine tea. I can't speak. I'm so cold.